Hey guys, I'm Wes and welcome back to my shop. So I've been on a bit of a mission to get better lighting in my shop above all my tools. And if you look behind me here, you can see that I hung a light over my workbench and I got one above my table saw, and it's drastically improved my video quality, at least I've noticed. Now I just need to hang one above my drill press, my shaper, my bandsaw to get better lighting over there. So in this video, we're going to take care of that issue. A couple weeks back at TSC, they had these lights on sale. They were a good deal. They were, I believe, about 30 bucks. And they're 4,500 lumens and 5,000 kelvins. And 5,000 kelvins, that's the lighting that I like in my shop. It's a nice white light and it looks good on camera. So the one problem I have with my shop is it has really high ceilings. They're 12-foot ceilings and the lights are way up there. So I'm trying to bring lights closer to the tools that I'm using. And so my plan is to hang the light 8 feet above my tools. This light I have here, you probably can't see it in camera, it's 8 feet and so is the one above my workbench. So my plan is to bring the light about 2'3" out from the wall. I figured that already, that would give me good lighting above the tools. And I have this piece of white pine that I'm going to use to make the brackets. So let's trim this board to its rough length and we'll get going on making these brackets. So my idea for this was to have it all in one piece, this bracket. So I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go measure 2 inches. I'll do 2 inches from this top corner. And then with my speed square, I'm just gonna draw a 45-degree angle. And then we're gonna make that probably about 2 inches as well for the arm. So I think we're going to use probably a combination of the table saw, the miter saw, and the bandsaw to get this all cut out. I am just going to drill 3 pocket holes into each one so that I can attach it to the wall. And the thing to remember is there is a left and a right to these things. And I want my pocket holes to be on the inside of the brackets when they're mounted on the wall. So I'm just going to make a little tick mark for where the pocket holes have to go. What side? Let's do that. Then I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of white spray paint in hopes that it blends in with the wall. To attach the light to the arm, I'm just going to use, let's see here if I'll focus on that. I'm just going to use this 1-inch self-tapping screw, and I need to drill a hole into here so that the screw can sit somewhere like that. So I'm going to drill a hole with a Forstner bit on the drill press, and then I'm going to switch out to a smaller bit and drill all the way through for that screw. Now I just need to screw on the bracket, and I have a line here where my plywood ends, and that is 8 feet up, and I know that it's level, so I'm going to use that as a line. I'm just gonna make my bottom flush with that. Important to make sure that it's level and square. Oh yeah. Now we just need to hang the light. They sent this little rope on this pull chain, but I'm not going to use the pull chain because I don't want a string hanging down in all my shots, and I don't really like pull chains. So what I did was I went and I bought a wireless switch, or a remote switch I should say, for this, and this should just come out just like that. All right, all that's left to do is to plug it in. And my cord didn't reach, so I just made one out of a piece of 14-2 wire. The first test, let's see if this works. Aha, we have light. Wow, that is so much better. Gives nice light in all three of these tools. It's exactly what I wanted. So that is it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I always try to do my best to answer all of them. And also, if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you never miss when I upload a new video. And like always, we'll see you in the next one.